What's up, guys? It's Winrate here. Probably might be looking for the strategy to profit from the financial market. In this video, I'm just gonna be unveiling to you evaluating the strategy that has about 90% win rate. This strategy is being utilized by most professional traders, which is what the Fibonacci strategy. So take a few pills. I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, so there are 3 things to note in Fibonacci strategy. I think I should highlight them for you. Yeah. The first thing to note about Fibonacci strategy is that Fibonacci is used in a trending market. What I mean by trending market is that Fibonacci, we have 2 types of market condition. We have the trending market, which is this. This is an uptrend, like I said the other time in my video. This is an uptrend, and this is a downtrend continuously. Sorry guys, don't mind my diagram. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrending market. Like this market is trending up now. It's going up. That is what we mean by a trending market. So Fibonacci strategy is used in a trending market, like this type of market condition. So if this is an impulsive move, like I said in my other video, and this is correction. This is an impulsive move. This is correction. This is an impulsive move. This is correction. This is just like a truncative 5, which is if anything happens like this, if a truncative 5 happens in the financial market, the trend is about to reverse. So Fibonacci strategy is being used in a trading market like this, in a market condition like this. So your own is just to come. This is the Fibonacci to. This is it. Fibonacci retracement. Your own is to measure from the recent high. Take note of this. Measure from the recent high, recent low to the recent high. You understand? You measure from the recent low to the recent high. After that, then you are going to wait for this typical level. You are going to wait for this typical zone. So you're just going to be waiting for this zone, which is this 618 level. That is the retracement point. Let me take a horizontal ray. This is 618. Just going to be waiting for this 618 point. Waiting for this 618 point. If you wait for this 618 point, then from there you wait for candlestick formation. Please note this, guys. If you can take a pen and write it down. Fibonacci strategy is used only in a trending market, not in a ranging market. This is a ranging market. This is a ranging market. The market that is neither trending, that is not trending, that is just consolidating. That's what I mean by a ranging market. So this is a ranging market, and this is a trending market. You understand, guys? So this strategy does not work in a ranging market. I will teach the strategy for this ranging market in my subsequent video. So this only works in a trending market. Fibonacci is used in a trending market, which is after you might have drawn your Fibonacci from the recent low to the recent high. Maybe if you want to buy from the recent low to the recent high, then you wait for this level, which is 618 level. You wait for 618 level. Let me write it down for you to know. 618, 0.618. You wait for this typical level. That is this. Most of the time, this is where we pick out entry from. Some other times maybe 50. But if you want to have a perfect signal, you wait for 618 level. So let's go to the live chart. Let's go to live chart. Let's go to live chart. So I'll tell you guys what I mean by everything that I've been teaching. So this is a live chart. Like I said, it is only used in the trending market. As you can see, we have a downtrend here now, which is coming down, impulsive, correction, impulsive, maybe correction, impulsive, correction, and impulsive. So Fibonacci strategy is only used in this type of market. Like as I said earlier, the one is just to come to these two, then you pick your Fibonacci retracement. After that, this is the recent high, you mark it down to the recent low. Like I said earlier, this is 618 level. 618 level. You just map out your zone. Bam. So this is on 1 hour time frame. I'm a day trader, so I pick my entry from 15 minutes time frame. You just wait for candlestick formation before you place your trade. Sorry guys, network is glitching. You just wait for candlestick reaction before you pick any trade, which is as you can see here, there is about 2 multiple rejection here. Let me delete this Fibonacci retracement to avoid the chart being looking messy. So this is the 618 level, and look at this. This is just like an evening star, which is a sell candle. So after this confirmation, this bearish confirmation candle, you sell from here. After you might have seen the candle to sell, then your stop loss will be here, about 17 pips. See the risk to reward, almost 1 to 6, even more than that, almost 1 to 9 risk to reward. This is mind blowing, guys. So let me do another example for you guys. Let's look for another trend. Let's look at this. As you can see, we have an impulsive move, correction move. Now you take your Fibonacci retracement again from this level. This is how you'll be killing it back to back. This is our 618 level again. Let me take my horizontal ray. This is our 618 level again. Guys, what is this, guys? Which chart pattern is this? This is M chart pattern, which is double top. Then after I told you guys to wait for confirmation. Maybe with this confirmation candle, you enter for a sell short. You wait for confirmation before you continue. Wait for candle to tell you to go ahead before you go ahead. Then the target stands 2 or even more than that. So that is that for that one. Let me look for a buy trade example. Let's look at this now. This is a trending market. Like you can see, we have an impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, correction, and like that. This is a trend, like what I taught you guys earlier. So your own is just to come back to that Fibonacci retracement again, which is here. Come back to your Fibonacci retracement again. Fibonacci retracement. You draw from the recent low to the recent high. Now this is our 618 level again. Guys, this work. This is magic. It will work perfectly. Like 9 out of 10 times it works perfectly in the financial market. So this is our 618 level. Now let me delete the Fibonacci too. So this is the 618 level. And what is this, guys? This is bullish engulfing. Like this is bullish engulfing, and you can see the formation, the chart pattern that is forming here is W chart pattern. So upon this bullish confirmation, I told you guys that you don't just see the 618 level and start entering the trade. No, you wait for a candle to confirm your entry. So with this is a bullish engulfing, or this is a bullish confirmation. After that bullish confirmation, you just come and apply your proper risk management by buying. Then your stop loss will be on the recent low, which is about 17 pips to the recent high. Yes, you just started. That is 0, and that is 1 to 5 risk to reward. Guys, if you are applying this strategy consistently without even making any indicator or whatsoever, you will see that in the next 3 to 4 months, 6 months, you make crazy money from the financial market. So think that will be that. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Thank you guys. I think is everything about Fibonacci strategy. So with this, like if you utilize the way I taught you guys, in the next 3 to 5, 6 months, you'll be very steady. Like you'll be profiting back to back from the financial market. And please note, this is a disclaimer. No strategy is really good. Whatever strategy you are using, be it Fibonacci strategy, trend line strategy, make a retest, Elliott wave, market structure, and what have you. Your own is just to utilize proper risk management. Because if I didn't say this and I'm just showing you guys strategy, you probably might make profit from this strategy, then you give it back without proper risk management. So the only is just to apply proper risk management in everything you do. Risk management is top notch. So if you like this type of content, subscribe, like and share this video to your family and loved ones. If you are a returning subscriber, smash the like button, share and comment. Let me know the video request you want me to do for you. I will do it for you, not even probably, I'll do it for you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.